He's heading straight for the opening. Easy now, don't rush it.
Head is secure. Moving to the midsection, stay alert. All right, keep it steady on your end. Got it, watch the tail. Almost in.
All right, bring it straight back now. Watch the clearance on the right side. Copy that, looking clear. Setting it down now. Secure the straps, manifest checked and ready for transport.
Careful with the lift, align with the green markers. Copy that, moving it slowly now.
Today we're going inside this facility to see what happens to these massive snakes and how the processing journey works from beginning to end.
Scale count on specimen 7 is consistent with the last reading.
Agreed. Hydration levels are optimal.
Very good.
Watch the locomotion here. See how the scales articulate?
Yeah.
Perfect shed cycle. No retained eye caps either.
Easy now, watch the tail. Got it, looks good. Secure.
Everything is being prepared under controlled conditions before the next stage.
Console reading stable, vitals are good. Tools are sanitized and ready. Scan complete, container secured. Scales look healthy, no sign of mites.
Thermal imaging confirms stable core temperature.
Okay, everyone, steady lift now.
Weight is distributed.
Moving forward slowly.
Inside the largest reptile processing plant in the United States, technology and biology meet on these gleaming production lines.
The next stage is prepared.
Calibration check complete on line 3.
Acknowledged. Systems are green across the board, ready for transfer.
Swab the north drain channel.
Surface clear, no particulates detected. Record the reading.
We're ready for the next stage here.
Confirmed on the tablet, the parameters match.
All right, let's proceed.
Make sure the texture is consistent across the entire length.
Yes, the scales are very defined here.
The alignment here is precise. See how the calipers measure the thickness. Yes, the uniformity across the hide is exceptional on this one.
The python leather undergoes meticulous inspection, ensuring every sheet meets our unparalleled standards of quality and texture.